and that Jesus Christ's identity is that he's the Son of God from eternity past. Meanwhile, me personally, I believe that Jesus Christ is from everlasting, but he was the Father who was from everlasting, and the Father was made flesh and dwelt among us, according to John chapter 1 verse 14. And so the main controversies is between